how great the service from Vivix has been for us.
Yes.
For me personally, I think my score went up, 200, almost 250 points.
Yeah, mine went up 150 points.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. When we first came in, it was so much that was on my credit, so much that was on hers that we were skeptical. And we came in with open minds. We allowed you guys to do the great job that you did. Gabriel, definitely walked with us the whole process during the whole time, and we're ecstatic.
We were, and I believe I got 76% of my debt removed. Yeah.
Right now I got 86%, so it was almost 100%. We would have loved everything to be a perfect world, but we're definitely ecstatic with the processes and everything.
Very pleased, very, very pleased.
Absolutely. So this is definitely the place to be. We thank you guys for your service, and we'll definitely be referring a lot of people as well.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.